Hi, I'm Larry Washington, Director of the Solid Waste Department for the City of Tampa. Something new is rising up right here at the McKay Bay facility. In response to a growing community and increased need for disposal capacity, we've built a new state-of-the-art transfer station. Let me show you around. Our first stop is the scale house. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted by one of our attendants who will help navigate you through our new facility. We want to ensure that your visit to the new transfer station is as seamless as possible. And as a reminder, PPE is always required. For customers with yard waste and tires, nothing has changed for you. You'll make a left and proceed to the existing transfer station. All other customers will make a right. For citizens and commercial customers with larger vehicles and trailers, you will proceed to the new transfer station tipping floor. We can now accommodate twice as many vehicles, making your trip a lot shorter. And with our new enclosed facility, we have you covered, rain or shine. Haulers, we haven't left you out. Good news, you no longer need to wait in line at the scale house. These are our new above-ground tunnel scales. Scales will electronically weigh you in and out. After you receive your ticket, you'll be on your way. If you're a citizen with a smaller vehicle, you will proceed to the citizen drop-off area, also known as the Z-Wall. And did I mention, we have 20 open spaces for citizen drop-off. Customers with smaller vehicles will no longer dump waste with larger vehicles, making this process a lot safer. And I would also like to mention that this will vastly improve wait times. I hope you enjoyed your tour. We are so proud of our new world-class facility. Thank you for making us the disposal site of choice. We can't wait to welcome you back at our newest facility at McKay Bay.